Hi there. Full screen this video and I have a question for you. Do you still remember my name? The company I run? Now when you're trying to retrieve that information, you're using your working memory and it usually won't last several minutes. It uses energy to think, while in the other case, you won't use any of your memory at all. It's just right there, simple as that. See, this is one of the key tricks in user interface design. It's called recognition rather than recall. It's one of the 10 principles in heuristic evaluations that designers use for usability. The tips you can use is to display key information such as objects, previous selections, options that users might use very frequently during the interactions, so that when they use it, they won't have to waste any energy thinking, which options did I choose just now? What did I do just now? I hope this was helpful. This is San. You were watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.